Hi boys and girls, we are going to be looking at your new sound for this week. Now you might recognise this sound because we focused on it just before the Christmas holidays, and it is O and A which make the sound O. Now here are some examples of some words that contain this sound. Now if you wanted to pause at this point and try and think of some words on your own at home, then you could do, and then you will see the ones I pop up on my board. So we could have a word like road, boat, toad, and coat. Now, to be able to write our words this week, we also needed to be able to form our letters correctly. So we have two letters to focus on this week, O and A. So our O, we are going to start just above the middle between the two lines and going to take our pen or pencil all the way round, like a big circle or an oval, okay? Then our A, again we're going to start just about the same point, just over halfway between the two lines, and we're going to take our pen or pencil all the way round and back up and back down, and there's a little flick at the end. Now you could have a go practicing these in your jotter at home. Remember, you can pause or rewind this video at any point if you think you've missed a bit or you want to practice something again. That's absolutely fine. Now I want you to pretend we're in the class and I'm holding up some flashcards. Now because you're at home, you can feel free to shout out the words whenever you like. You don't have to put your hand up because you're in a room, probably yourself. Now, as soon as I show you these words, I'm going to flip them off to the next one and you can shout them out. So have a go at shouting out this first one, remembering your O sound. Now what is this word? And that is your last one there. Now, the last thing we're going to do today, boys and girls, is have a little look at diacritically marking these words. Now, sometimes in school we like to call that dots and lines, okay? Now, we're going to look at how you would do it with your sound for the week in these words. Now, our sound is O, A, okay? And I can see that O, A are together in each of these words. So you're probably shouting out at me right now saying you know exactly how to do this, okay? But it's just a little bit of revision to remind you. So if we have boat, I can see that our sound, the O sound, is right in the middle. So I'm going to draw my line under my two letters that make our sound. And that means under the bit and the T, I just need to put a dot. Same for coat. Again, I can see our sound is right in the middle. And again, I'm just going to have to put my dot for my single sound on either side. Now you might think, I know exactly how to do this last one. So for road, it's exactly the same. O and A are together, so we're going to put a line underneath them and put our dots for our single sounds on either side. Now all the things we've looked at in this little video are things that we can use to practice our words throughout the week, and it'll just be like how you would do it in class. We use our spelling booklets, we practice writing our words in different ways, we'll diacritically mark our words, and then towards the end of the week you would even try and put these words into some sentences. And if you're feeling up to it on Friday, you could even give yourself a little spelling test.